Simple contact honest review. So in this video I'm going to give you a no-nonsense review. So what we'll provide is very simple and honest review, so watch before using. Simple Contact is an online platform that streamlines the process of purchasing contact lenses and renewing prescription. By offering an online vision test, it eliminates the need for in-person doctor's visit, making it a convenient option for contact lens users. And here are the key features about this platform, which is also provide online vision tests. Users can renew their contact lens prescription through a quick online exam subject to certain eligibility criteria. And also they provide a wide selection, so offer a varieties of contact lens brand, including options for astigmatism and multifocal needs. And also the platform is user-friendly interface. The platform is designed for easy navigation and simplifying the order process. And here are the cons and the pros and the cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, the online vision test allows users to renew prescription without visiting an optometrist, saving time and effort. Also, the service has gained favorable review with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 based on 1,466 reviews. So if you want more review about that, you can just simply go to review.io. And also, many customers report quick processing and delivery time, often within 5 days. And here's the downside about this platform. Some analysts have raised questions about the platform's legitimacy, assigning it a low legitimacy score. The online vision test may not be available in all regions, restricting access for some users. And also, the online test does not assess overall eye health. So regularly in person eye exams are still recommended. And here's the final verdict about this platform. Simple Contact offer a convenient solution for contact lens users looking to review prescription and other lens online. The platform is to use and positive customers review highlight its effectiveness. However, potential users should be aware of concern regarding its legitimacy and assure they continue to review comprehensive eye health evaluation from licensed professional. However, Simple Contact can be value results for those seeking convenience in managing their contact lens needs.